Frankie and Andys Place is the home of 13 dogs at the moment, and it's just absolutely beautiful. It's a log cabin with couches and chairs. The dogs have home cooking. They get the very, very best medical attention before they come in. They're all old dogs that people have given up on. Maybe they have lost control of their bladder, or maybe they can't walk very well anymore. But they're really good dogs. People have just given up on them because they just don't fit their wonderful lifestyle anymore. So they take them to the shelter and don't care if they get put down. We pull them from kill shelters, and for us, those dogs are absolutely diamonds in the rough. We go pick them up, we take them out of there, we get them vetted, we make them well, and then we bring them into Frankie and Andys Place, where they live with their own fenced yard. They can go on woodland walks, they go on outings. Volunteers come in every single day, take care of them. They have staff to take care of them. They eat this wonderful food, sleep on couches, soft beds, etc. And then their kind of payback, if you like, to everybody is that they go out into the community and they give love where it's needed. So they work with veterans, they work with physically handicapped, mentally handicapped, they go to schools, and they are just really ambassadors for old dogs and dogs in general, to show people that they don't need to be frightened of dogs, and that they can touch them, they can love them, and these dogs aren't going to bite. And the love that they give changes lives. It absolutely does. We exist to save dogs, but obviously we exist to play a massive role in the community, or the dogs exist then where they are to play a massive role in the community. This event today, with our partners, obviously all of our partners are present today, and we're so thankful for them. This event is all about everybody celebrating what these dogs have achieved and what they will go on to achieve when their numbers become greater. This event single-handedly can make that happen and grow us to the next level. I mean, we always say, you know, saving one dog at a time, one day at a time, one dog at a time. This is going to be like next year, we'll have a whole village. You watch, you watch.
So my name is Pat Mitchell, and I'm with Super Duper Dog Training. Actually, I am Super Duper Dog Training, and I have been involved with Frankie and Andys Place for several years now. And not only am I a volunteer, but I'm actually a donor and actually one of the sponsors for today's event. And this has just been such a success. Everybody has been smiling, hitting great golf shots, and it's all for a great cause, with just taking care of the senior dogs for the rescue and helping Frankie and Andys Place to grow even more every year. So thanks so much for joining us.